Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut over on your Mac. And this can be your MacBook or iMac or Mac computer, it's all the same. So in order to install or download CapCut, all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome browser, and then what you want to do is you want to type in CapCut, just like this, and you want to go to www.capcut.com. It will probably be the first one, so make sure just to click on that. Once you've done that, literally all you need to do is just click accept all those cookies and all those kind of things, all those pop-ups. And once you've done that, you can simply click on download for Mac right here. And now it's literally downloading, and we can right now see that we got this download file right here in our downloads, which you can find right here. So you can simply click on that just like this. We can see right now that CapCut downloader is right here. All we need to do right now is simply double click on this just like this. And you need to then click on install right here. And right now it's trying to install it. Maybe you have to type in your computer's passwords. That's completely normal. Just click on install software, and it shouldn't take more than a few seconds just to be installed. Alright, so now that the CapCut downloader has been installed, all you need to do is double click on it again. And literally all we need to do right now is click on open, just like this. And right now desktop is currently, CapCut is currently opening. And we can literally right now see that it's right now installing that entire software over on your Mac. So make sure that you do have enough storage over your Mac. But yeah, that's quite obvious. Alright, so literally just after a few minutes it's already been installed, and once you have installed it, you will be prompted with this message where you simply need to select the language you want CapCut to be basically displaying in. So I'm just going to choose English, and then I want to click on save right now, and we can right now see at the bottom right corner of our screen that CapCut is literally right now opening, as you guys can see. Alright, and just another few seconds later, CapCut is now opened. All we need to do right now is just click on got it, and you can also just click this away. And literally right now, this is CapCut. In order to create a project, just click on new project, and we can literally right now see that I have CapCut over on my Mac. So that's how you can download CapCut on Mac. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.